ready to serve and shred up your barbacoa or the shredded beef for your taco night, we're going to make a couple of accessories to put up on top. Now I'm gonna take and add to the chili peppers and the red onion, the whites and light greens of a couple of scallions or green onion. Tabasco makes a chipotle pepper sauce, and since we're serving this with the meat and the chipotle, and the mint is bright and the cilantro is bright, or verdant as John would say, I'm gonna balance it with a couple of shakes from the chipotle hot sauce in there too. And then lastly, we add all of our chopped tomatoes, about 2 cups of finely chopped seeded tomatoes. So there you go, there's our salsa. I'm gonna crumble up some queso fresco or asadero, any easy white crumbly cheese that you wanna serve for this. I'm gonna crumble that up over the break. Come on back, I'll show you the rest of our toppings. Ooh, that's right.